Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about the amazing health benefits of anise seeds. Anise seeds are small brown seeds that are native to the Mediterranean region and have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. They have a sweet, licorice-like flavor and are commonly used in cooking, baking, and tea. In this video, we will discuss 3 main benefits of anise seeds, their effect on hair, weight loss, and as a tea. Anise seeds for hair. Anise seeds have many nutrients that promote healthy hair growth. They contain magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper, which are all essential for hair growth. These minerals help to strengthen hair follicles, prevent hair loss, and promote hair growth. Anise seeds also contain antioxidants that protect hair from damage caused by free radicals. This damage can lead to hair breakage and split ends. Using anise seed oil on the scalp can help to nourish the hair follicles and improve the overall health of your hair. Anise seeds for weight loss. Anise seeds are an excellent natural remedy for weight loss. They contain a compound called inositol, which has been shown to reduce appetite and promote weight loss. Inositol works by stimulating the digestive system and increasing metabolism, which helps the body burn more calories. Anise seeds also help to regulate blood sugar levels, which can help to reduce cravings for sweets and other high-calorie foods. Drinking anise seed tea before meals can help to reduce appetite and promote weight loss. Anise seeds as tea. Anise seed tea is a popular beverage that has been used for its health benefits for centuries. It has a sweet, licorice-like flavor and is a natural remedy for many ailments. Anise seed tea is excellent for improving digestion and reducing bloating. It can also help to relieve menstrual cramps, reduce anxiety and stress, and promote better sleep. To make anise seed tea, simply boil 1 teaspoon of anise seeds in a cup of water for about 10 minutes. Strain the seeds and add honey or lemon to taste. Anise seeds are a versatile and potent natural remedy that can provide many health benefits. They are excellent for promoting healthy hair growth, weight loss, and as a tea. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information.